What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-18s! Yes, we are back for SB19 reaction, and this is for their newest music video for the song Visa. Yes, tatataka na ba tayo ng visa? Made-deny ba tayo or ma-approve tayo for today's video? Yan ang ating aabangan. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ay. Oh, makaka-excite. It's a fiction of war, creative, artistic entertainment. Ay. May pa-G. Si Chef ba yan? Ken. Oh my God, may tae. Sabi. Ooh, cute ang corgi. Oh my God! There they are, guys! Oh my God!
Teka lang. Di naman kailangan pang ito ipayabang.
Hey, Josh!
Ano raw?
Si Chef Fry ba yun? Yung nagluluto? Oh my gosh!
Damn, tunay ka maingay when you don't have to make a sound. And that's what's up,
Pogi ni
that's what's up.
Josh. Ganda ng buhok. Visa passers. Go, Pablo.
Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling.
Wow. Oh my God, nagpagupit si Stel. Oh my God, ang pogi ni Stel. Bagay sa kanya yung semi-calvo. Charit. And look at our Mahalima, guys. Oh my God. Ganda na MTV, very Filipino. Hey. Ang cute!
Ang hirap talagang lumipad kahit may patunay na kaya mo na kailangan pa ng visa. Pag mo nakita, bitbit ko naman
More requirements. Love that vocal of Stel. Oh my God. Para ata to sa ano natin, immigration officers ng Pilipinas. Alam niyo na, grabe kasi kayo magpakuha ng visa. Charis.
Nabusog lahat sa aking sinaing. Nang pating, nagreklamo pang let tayo kanin. Sorry, pasensya ka na.
Approve.
Kung napagod
Approve.
sa pagpayahang balus.
Ang pogi ni Justin. Bang, bang, bang. Ay, ko si Josh naman approve agad. Naloka ako sa laway ni ate mo, girl. Si Chef nga yun. Hey, I love it.
What if kalmahan lang natin, let's go. Dito, masaya lang, kahit may lang, na para bang pagati lang, basta baba sa taas.
Grabe naman ang pag-stop.
David, Pasco, M. Jacinto, Oro, Trigo, Bruno, Nico, Joseph, ay, baka naman, Pablo.
Ang cute. Love it. Denied. Charis. Kulit ni Chef Fry. Hey. Oh my God, denied, guys. Ayun, approve. Grabe, mukhang magte-trending na naman sa TikTok ang dance step na to. Noy, Pinoy, 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 PA. Ganon. Noy, Pinoy, 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 PA. Noy, Pinoy, 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 PA. Noy, Pinoy, 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 PA. Hey! Oh my God, I love this song. Hey! Ang ganda ng MTV nila. MTV. music video.
Kahit na ano pa ang gawin Why make wala pa rin dating Kahit na ano pa ang gawin Pinoy, 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 Pinoy
Oh my God, love it! There you have it, guys. That is SB19 for their newest music video, Visa. Yes, approve yan sa akin. Approve na approve. Agad-agad. Sobrang ganda. I love the beat of the song. Alam mo yun, mapapasayaw na naman tayo sa TikTok nito, guys. Oo. Alam na natin kung ano ang magte-trending this week na TikTok dance. Abangan natin yung mga TikTok dance compilation na yan ng SB19 Visa. I love the music video first, the production. I love it. Very Filipino. This is what I love about SB19. They are raising our flag in their music video. At talagang pinapakita nila ang Pilipinas, no? They started with a jeepney, and then the storyline is very Filipino. Sobrang hirap naman talaga natin kumuha ng visa, guys, kahit saan. Oo. Kahit na magaling tayo, 'di ba? So that was so good. I love the music video, the execution, the editing. Ang ganda ng mga yung sumasabay sa beat ang editing, and of course, napaka-sharap nilang lima. Oh, and for sure, Stel is my bias for today's video as always. And of course, the beat of the song, the message of the song, I love it. So much gratitude and so proud to SB19. Kaya naman, thank you so much, boys, for giving this kind of music to Filipino people. P-pop is really, you own P-pop. You are the P-pop kings. Kaya naman, sobrang enjoy ako watching this. And of course, guys, I know that you enjoy mga ka-18s. You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.